Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Check your phone model and OS, then grant notifications, sound, and vibration permissions so the app can work. Once done, enable any accessibility or lock screen display access the app asks for. This ensures flash alerts appear even when the phone is locked. Next, open Flash Alert and accept its initial prompts. This starts the configuration flow. Doing this now prevents missed alerts later, because the app needs those permissions to control the camera flash and system notifications. Now configure how and when the flash fires. You choose triggers, calls, SMS, app notifications, even alarms, and toggle each on or off depending on what matters. Then set the flash pattern, steady, pulse, or sauce, and specify duration and repeat count so alerts are noticeable but not blinding. After that, schedule active hours and add Do Not Disturb exceptions. Make sure to assign per contact or per app rules if you only want flashes from key people or apps. These steps fine-tune behavior and reduce false positives. Finish by testing and saving. Use the app's built-in test to simulate calls and messages so you can confirm intensity and timing. Once the profile looks right, save it and, if necessary, reboot the phone. This often resolves permission handshakes. Make sure to recheck notification and camera permissions after a restart. If the flash still doesn't trigger, clear the app cache, reinstall the app, and verify battery optimization settings are not blocking background behavior. These final checks close the loop and keep alerts reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.